In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand SellerAmp dashboard. By the end, you'll be able to use the dashboard to answer 3 core questions every online arbitrage seller needs. Can I sell it? Does it sell? And is it profitable? We'll begin with the first things to check on any product. Look at profit, which tells you how much money you'll make per item after fees. Then check ROI, the return percentage that shows how efficiently your money is working. Review max cost, which is the highest price you can pay and still hit your target profit and ROI. Finally, look at BSR, or best sellers rank, which acts as a speedometer for sales. A lower number generally means faster sales. If your profit and ROI look good at a realistic buy price, continue. If they don't, stop and skip the product before you waste more time. Next, open the alerts panel for a risk check. This is where you verify whether you're allowed to sell the item and whether it's safe to list. Watch for 3 red flags: a gated or restricted category or brand, any hazmat or dangerous goods designation, and any intellectual property or private label risks. In this panel, green indicators mean you're safe to proceed, while red indicators mean you should avoid the product. Now check competition in the offers panel. Here you'll see all current sellers, including FBA, FBM, and if Amazon itself is on the listing. You'll also see competitor prices, approximate stock levels, and your projected profit if you match the current selling price. As a rule of thumb, fewer sellers usually means more room to compete, while a listing with Amazon as a seller can be risky. If there are too many sellers clustered at the same price, it becomes harder to win the buy box and maintain margin. Move to ranks and prices to understand sales data. BSR reveals demand. The buy box price tells you the most common selling price. Estimated monthly sales give you a volume snapshot, and price history shows stability or volatility over time. Low BSR combined with a stable price is a strong signal. High BSR paired with an unstable price suggests inconsistent demand and pressure on margins. Finally, open the product panel for basic info. Confirm the product images, scan the size and weight, and glance at reviews. Avoid bulky or heavy items because they carry higher fees that eat into profit, even when the initial numbers look good. Use this flow every time, and you'll answer those 3 questions quickly and confidently.